Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss about the admission notice that is released by the Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Veterinary Education and Research, Puducherry for the MBSc degree program for the academic session 2021-22. So without any further ado, let's get started. So simply the applications are invited for the Master of Veterinary Science, that is MBSc degree program in Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Veterinary Education and Research, or you can say RIVER, for the academic session of 2021 and 22. Coming to the application procedure, so simply all the applications duly completed along with the non-refundable amount of ₹1,000 only in the form of demand draft drawn in the favor of Dean River payable at Puducherry and DD of ₹500 for SC and ST candidates should be sent to the Dean, Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Veterinary Education and Research, Kurumbapet, Puducherry, this is the pin code, on or before 5 p.m. on 2nd of March 2022. The applications which are incomplete or received after the due date and the time shall be rejected summarily and no correspondence will be entertained in this regard. The institute will not be responsible for any postal delay. Moving on, the candidates who are employed should send their application form along with the no objection certificate and prescribed fee through proper channel so as to reach this office on or before the due date, that is 2nd of March 2022. However, they can submit an advance copy along with their necessary certificates. If selected for the course, he or she will be permitted to join the course only on production of relieving orders from the concerned employer. Moving on to the documents that need to be submitted along with the application should be in the attached form are as follows. First one is BVSc and AH degree certificate, proof of date of birth, transcript of BVSc and AH degree, nationality certificate, residence certificate, and the caste certificate. Both these certificates are only for the students of Puducherry. These certificates need to be recent and original. In the case of the students who will be completing their degree before February 2022, the course completion certificate from the respective institutions can be submitted in the place of degree certificate and provisional degree certificate. Coming to the selection procedure for the admission, all the eligible candidates applying for the MBSc degree program will have to appear for the PG entrance examination PGEE 2021 to be conducted by the RIVER. The candidates shall secure a minimum of 50% in the BVSc and AH and PG entrance put together to be eligible to get admission for the MBSc program. The candidate who are employed should produce no objection certificate from the employer at the time of the entrance examination. If selected for the course, he or she will be permitted to join the course only on the production of the relieving orders from the concerned employer. Coming to the important dates, so the call for the application starts from 15th of February 2022. The last date of receiving application is 2nd of March 2022. The date of entrance examination will be 16th of March 2022. The date of counseling by RIVER is 17th of March 2022. The date of registration for PG at RIVER is 24th of March 2022 and the date of commencement of classes will be from 25th of March 2022. So this was the notice that was released by the Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Veterinary Education and Research, Puducherry for the MBSc degree program for the academic session of 2021 and 22. So simply in the nutshell, all the applicants who are willing to take admission for the MBSc degree program at RIVER should fill the offline application form and send it to the respective address of the Dean, RIVER, before 2nd of March 2022. After that, they have to appear for the PGEE, that is postgraduate entrance examination, and if they secure good marks or the merit, then they will be eligible for the admission. All the important dates are mentioned in this particular video. Otherwise, you can check the detailed prospectus. For that, you will find the link in the description box below, and I hope these details are quite clear to all of you. And at last, I would like to wish all the best to all the applicants.